picture of a happy red apple with a smile, sitting on a table, colorful background, fun kid style. B, cartoon of a big brown bear, walking with heavy feet in a forest, bright and cheerful style. C, cartoon of a bright orange carrot, with green leaves smiling in a sunny garden. D, cartoon of a white dove flying gently in the blue sky with fluffy clouds. E, cartoon of a tall gray elephant with big ears and trunk, standing proudly in the jungle. D, cartoon of a sweet purple fig fruit, cut open to show seeds, cheerful background bead. D, cartoon of purple grapes hanging in a bunch on a green vine, playful kid style. H, cartoon of a brown horse happily eating grass in a green meadow. I, cartoon of a green iguana sunbathing on a rock, smiling with the cartoon sun above. J, cartoon of a big jackfruit hanging on a tree, bright green and fun. D, cartoon of a kiwi fruit cut in half next to a cute kiwi bird, colorful background. L, L, cartoon of a golden lion with a crown, standing proudly as king of the jungle. L, cartoon of a white yellow mango with a smile on a sunny tropical background. L, cartoon of a nightingale bird singing on a tree branch under the moonlight. 2, cartoon of a wise owl with big eyes sitting on a branch rooting woo. A big orange pumpkin with a happy face in a green garden. Q, cartoon of a tiny quail bird walking on the ground with grass and flowers. R, cartoon of a white rabbit hopping around in a grassy field, smiling happily. T, cartoon of a red strawberry with seeds showing, smiling with cartoon hands and legs. C, cartoon of a striped tiger walking proudly in the jungle, bright and friendly style. U, cartoon of an umbrella bird with black feathers and umbrella-like crest, colorful style. V, cartoon of granola pods and flowers drawn in a playful style for kids. Cartoon of a walrus with long tusks sitting on a smiling, fun kids style. Egg, cartoon of a green watermelon with slices smiling on a picnic table. I, cartoon of a fluffy yak with big horns standing